Sparky here. This video is going to be a little bit different than my usual. Figured it'd help a lot of people. Be stripping some copper wire. This is all my cuts from work. As y'all know, I'm an electrician. You know, cut off 3 or 4 foot pieces. Start there. I found this to be the best blade for me for stripping wire. Stripping 12 gauge solid copper wire.
The plastic is just melting off. Can you dig it? Satisfying and relaxing. The sound of money, baby.
Y'all can see I got out the heat and come inside to do this.
Do your best to straighten the wires prior to stripping them. Find the angle that gets all the way under the plastic, but does not cut into the wire. This will make for easy money. Now rinse and repeat. Recycle responsibly. Please do not steal.
When I'm pulling it off the thing, I like to put a finger in between here and just pull the plastic through. Once you get to the end, figure out the end, grip the top of the wire, let the plastic down, open it up, easy, magic in, no karate chop, in half, and half again. I like to keep them real small and compact. Money, dude. Sparky out.